The following is a tutorial on installing the 10.5-inch screen. Upgrade for 16 Land Rover Evoque models. First, pry out the decorative panel under the instrument panel. Pull the steering wheel out a little for better operation. Unscrew the screws inside. Pry out the decorative strip on the passenger seat. Pry out the central control decorative panel. Pry up the console. Unscrew the screws next to the screen. Take out the screen. Unplug the wire. Remove the back cover of the new hose. Remove the back cover of the original car main unit. Take out the cable. Take out the motherboard. Install the removed motherboard onto the new back cover. Install cable. Secure the back cover with screws. Unplug the power cord of the CD host and transfer it. This is the wire to be used. Start patching cables. Restore CD player. Recovery console. Remove the original car screen frame. Comparison between original car screen and new screen. Install new screen. Fix the screen with screws. Start plugging in. Replace the screen. Effect comparison.
有什么可以帮您？
打开音乐。
有什么可以帮您？
导航到欢乐谷。
挑战优质结果，你要去哪一个？
第一个。
好的。请问您计划黑色导航路线，你选择哪一个？
第一个。
什么可以帮您？
播放刘德华的歌曲。
收到。